Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you on how to make your first trade using MT4 on your iOS device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 platform. Once MT4 is open, you will see the main interface. To open a trade, tap on the quotes icon to bring up the default currency pair list. Tap on the currency pair you want to trade. Then choose Trade. Set your order parameters as needed. Then, tap on Sell by Market or Buy by Market. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your trade has been opened successfully. Then tap Done. To open a pending order, tap on the plus sign button and select an instrument. Here to select in currency pair you have added to your quotes tab. Then, tap on Market Execution and select a pending order of your choice from these options: Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, Sell Stop. For example, I select Buy Limit. Set your details, including price, stop loss, and take profit. Tap Place to finalize the order. You'll receive a notification confirming the pending order. To modify an order, tap and hold the order, then select Modify Position. Select Modify Order. Adjust the settings as needed, then tap Modify to confirm. You will receive a notification confirming that the order has been modified. To close an order, go to the Trade section. Select the order. Press and hold the order. Then, tap on Close Position. If the order is closed with a profit, the confirmation button will show Closed with Profit. If the order is closed with a loss, the confirmation button will show Closed with Loss. A notification will confirm your close order. Congratulations! You have successfully made your first trade using MT4 on your iOS device. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!